Hey you guys, in this video I will be doing a half up, half down as you see on my natural hair using CutiePieTresses clip-ins. Like, they have more than clip-ins. If you don't wear clip-ins, they have ponytail, wigs, all that. So be sure to go click on the link and go look at their website. Also, there will be a coupon code down in the description box. Like, I will have the information on these clip-ins down in the description box. Like, and with these clip-ins, they not heavy, they not like, you know how some stuff just feel like it's weighing your hair down, but they soft, but it's like they soft but thick at the same time. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Before installing these clip-ins into my hair, I did wash them and condition them, and I also put some Eco Styling gel in them so that they can match my regular hair. Okay, so first starting off, you first gonna part your hair and see which clip-in will fit where. So you're gonna begin to clip the clip-in onto your hair. Make sure you clipping it good to your hair so that the clip-in don't fall out. But I start from the end and work my way to the other end, and basically just making sure once again that the clip-in is tightly on the hair so it doesn't fall out. And again, you just basically parting your hair like so you don't see the clip-ins. It's just clipping it on the hair where the part is at. Get as close to the part as you can. I did it from like the back, y'all, so I can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going off of what I'm feeling. But the part doesn't matter, y'all. It's clip-ins. Your hair gonna be down. You not gonna see the part, so the part does not have to be straight. You basically doing the same steps until you finish with all your clip-ins. And again, they did send me 10 clip-ins. 10 clip-ins does make a complete bundle, so that's all you need. You don't need more than 10 clip-ins, y'all. But yeah, let's just fast forward and let's just get into the video. Okay, so now that all the clip-ins are installed, I'm basically taking water and Eco Styling gel. And as y'all know, for everybody who watched me, I am doing a rake method so that I can blend the clip-ins with my real hair. And you're just going to continue to rake until you think it's blend well enough. You cannot do enough raking, y'all. You cannot do enough raking. Just rake until your fingers get tired. As I was raking through my hair, y'all, I did notice that I should have got the clip-ins a little shorter to make it look a little more realistic. But other than that, the clip-ins are fine. I just think they a little too long for my hair. But other than that, they fine. Okay, y'all, now that we finally done with the down part of the hairstyle, we doing the up part. So basically, I'm just taking my Ebin 24-hour edge control and basically putting it on the edges, getting ready to lay my ponytail. You want the ponytail laid as sleek as you can, but y'all, do not put it tight to where you have a headache because you're not going to like your style. Okay, so after putting my hair into a ponytail, I'm basically just going to twist it up and I'm putting it into a little bitty knot because I'm going to get ready to put the clip-ins around the knot to make the bun. Okay, y'all, so with this part, I'm going to try my best to explain it, but I'm basically just taking the clip-ins and I'm clipping the ones with the 2 clips. I'm clipping that onto my hair, but then I had a 4 left. I'm just going to wrap the 4 around to create the bun. But like I said, I'm trying my best to explain it. You just really got to watch and see what I'm doing. Now I'm basically just going to lay my edges, y'all. Once again, I'm not that good with my edges, but I am getting better. After you lay your edges, just make sure everything is, again, blend well. And that is how you install clip-ins, y'all. Shout out to CutiePieTresses for sponsoring this video. I will have a coupon listed down below in the description box. And y'all, these are some affordable clip-ins. I think this is the Natural Curly ones. I'm post it in the description box because right now I don't have the paper with me, but I think this is the Natural Curly Clip-ins. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Again, what you just saw me doing, I was just going through blending it, make sure everything is curled and blended as well. I could have got them shorter to make them blend more, but they are clip-ins, they not my real hair. They just give me extra volume, extra length, and it makes it look fuller. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And again, this is the finished dry look.